Hello guys, samahan niyo ako mag-walking tour dito sa napakagandang park ng Abu Dhabi, UAE. It's 9 AM in the morning guys, pero napaganda ng weather ngayon kasi medyo malamig at hindi ganong mainit. At worth it talaga yung pagising ko ng maaga kasi napakaganda ng view talaga. I know your eyes in the morning sun, I feel you touch me in a pouring rain. In the moment that you end up. Hello, good morning. Hello, 5 babies. So cute. Nakakalabas din pala sila. First time ko nga pumunta dito guys, kaya naaliw naman ako pagkakita ko ng mga bibi or ng mga ducks. Nabubuhay din pala sila dito kahit nasa outdoor kasi syempre medyo mainit ang weather dito, lalo na pagtanghali. Good morning, Quack-Quack. Good morning. Meron silang food. Oh, kakain na sila guys. May nagpapakain sa kanila. Hello, good morning. Good morning, Quack-Quack. Ayan, they're eating. Wow, mga vegetarian. What they eat, sister? What they eat? What's that? Cabbage?
Watermelon skin, you know.
Wow, watermelon?
Watermelon skin.
Skin, yeah. Oh, you make that one?
Yeah.
Ayun. Wow, vegetable they eat. And here the other. Yeah, they're so cute. Hello, good morning. And now, after they eat, they will go there to swim. Nagsuswim na sila after nila mabusog. Hello. Ayan, nagsuswim na sila guys. Ay, inom pala. And then they will still, after they eat, ayan, they will drink and mag-swim. How many times they're eating, sister?
My husband always giving.
One time in one day?
Yes.
Oh.
My husband now duty. That's why I am coming.
Okay. Thank you. So cute. Siya ang leader ng mga kwak-kwak. Good. Galing nila lumangoy, oh. Oh? Paano sila lumalangoy? Paano sila lumalangoy, guys? Oh, hindi naman nila ginagalaw yung paa. Isang, paano lumangoy yun? Paano lumangoy ang mga bibe? Ganyan po sila lumangoy. Ang galing-galing. Oh, nakalutang agad sila. Tapos isang sipa lang. Ang galing naman. Samantalang ako, langoy, langoy palaka. Uy, ang cute nila. Grabe. So amazing. Worth it ang aking pagpunta dito ng napakaaga. Ayan. Hello. Ayun lang guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng video na to. At sa mga OFW dyan na gustong mamasyal ng libre na walang gastos, ayan, sa park lang kayo pumunta. May mga free park po na gaya nito sa Abu Dhabi. Wala siyang entrance fee. Ayan, libreng-libre kang pumunta dyan para mag-relax, mag-walking, tumambay. Thank you guys for watching. Please heart, comments, and follow my FB page, Chaan Vlogs page, and my YouTube account and TikTok, Chaan Vlogs. Bye!